From specialist plancha grills to top quality pan sets, at aeg.co.uk you'll find a wide range of accessories to help you get the most out of your induction hob. Here, we'll run through some of the most popular. The AEG salt block can be used on your induction hob as well as on the barbecue, in your oven, for tabletop cooking or for chilling in the fridge or freezer. It is perfect for searing steaks, seafood or vegetables. Made from pink rock salt sourced from the Himalayas, it naturally enriches each dish with minerals and delicious flavours. The AEG cookware set is the ultimate 3-piece induction starter kit. Comprising 1 frying pan and 2 saucepans, this high-quality non-stick set will help you achieve the best cooking results, the most efficient heat distribution and the least noise. This set of 2 aluminium-coated champagne-coloured frying pans are ideal for everyday frying, searing and browning with little or no oil. Each pan has a non-stick coating and delivers fast and even heating. They are dishwasher safe and can also be used in the oven up to 250 degrees centigrade. The plancha grills offer the perfect extra-large non-stick surface for grilling, sautéing or browning and lets you achieve that barbecue grill taste all year round. It is ideal for use on an induction hob that has a bridging function, where 2 cooking zones are linked to create a larger zone with shared time and temperature settings. The Fusion Wok is designed to harness the power of induction technology and is ideal for bringing out flavours in your cooking. It is perfect for stir-frying, braising, sautéing and simmering, and also comes with a stylish support ring. Designed to remove burnt-on food residue and stubborn stains, the no-scratch scraper is a must-have for any induction hob owner. You can also purchase replacement blades through the website. VitroCare Hob Cleaner is a high-quality cream that will deeply clean the hob's surface and give it that perfect shine. It even leaves a protective film, helping to keep your hob looking its best for longer. You can explore our full range of induction hob accessories on the AEG webshop, including the 9-litre capacity AEG Gourmet Selection stock pot and the 43cm AEG roasting pot, which is optimised for both the hob and the oven. Or, if you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.